Hi friends, I am your host Mr. Sunshine, and once again I welcome back to you all on my English learning platform English Shine, a place where my dear ones get higher and reach better in the world of study. So friends, today we are going to start class 12's first chapter of the poem. The name of the poem is 66, which is written by Kamla Das. Kamla Das is one of the most famous poetess in all over the India, not only in India but also in all over the world. And let me tell you, Kamla Das was born in the era of 1934 and she died in the age of 2009. Okay, so once we are going to start this chapter, let me talk about first of all something about Kamla Das. So Kamla Das was originally born in Malabar, Kerala, and she wrote so many short stories, novels, and so many ideas. She expresses through her columns. And as we know, this Kamala Das was one of the most famous poetess of India, and she wrote the undername of Madhvi Gupta in the Malayalam language. So this is all about the short introduction about Kamala Das. So now move ahead towards the chapter, going to explaining and see what is the real scenario about this chapter. So before going to start, let me tell you one thing also, that when we are going to start this chapter, once we are going to learn this chapter, then we find it at the last of the moment that age is just a number. Okay, age is just a number where we move at the some kind of ages when we cross the teenage. So we have a lots of responsibilities, we have a lots of our duties, but how we make a correlation between those responsibilities and our duties in these scenarios, because of what, as we grown up, our parents also grown up, but important is what, how we make our correlation between responsibilities and our duties. This is all about that. So today, as the chapter going to be on, I'm going to explaining you line by line each and every stranger. So see here, driving from my parents' home to coaching last Friday morning. As one more thing that I wanted to express you, that this is not about any kind of rhyme scheme poem. It is all about the long strangers, which is using just comma, and somewhere you will get it fully stop at the last of the word, because it is all about the commas and long narrative poem. Driving from my parents' home to coaching last Friday morning, the poet is sincerely said that she has been into the past of her parents' house. Okay, I use some another shop, parents' house, and now she is moving to Cochin. Okay, when she moving to the Cochin, in that car, she has her mother besides. Okay, she has her mother besides me. Doze upon mouth. When he looked out, when he glanced at her mother, she find it that she stayed there like a statue. Okay, she stayed like a statue. Her face ashen like that of corpse, and realized with pain that she thought away. And when I looked out at my mother, I find it that there's a lots of certain anxieties on her face. There's a lots of thought. There's a lots of worries on her face, and I don't know what is about it. But yes, I'm not able. I'm not so much sure to going to ask that, Mama, what is your problem? Why you are so much anxieties? Because of what, I was unable to know, and her face like of a corpse, and realized with pain that she thought away. And there is a poetess use a simile like a like of that corpse. Corpse means what? It is a such kind of dead body. The poet is actually express here that face isn't like that of corpse, and realized with pain that she thought away. Author poetess expresses here that she is full of in the thought, where she might be get the ideas of not willingness, as well as expressing the ideas that if she's going to thought again this such kind of idea, so maybe the anxiety, the worriness full of on her head. So now again, and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out onto the merry children sprinting out on their homes. But after the airport security check is standing a few yards away, I looked again at her wan palette as late winter's moon and felt that old. So, in this starting four line, okay, in starting four line, poet actually expressing all those ideas when he saw her mother besides her in the car. Now, what she did to move away from all those negative ideas, he did one more thing, that looked out at young trees sprinting. There is a personification of trees sprinting, and poetess told that she is not going to see her mother because her mother was so much full of anxieties. So she moved out, she looked out a window, and now she looked out to those young trees sprinting. Once we are going to move somewhere, then we find it out of the window, about the car, about the train, about any kind of thing. Then we find it that all the living or non-living things just move running back. They are something like that into the running situation. So poetry use here young trees sprinting. Sprinting means what? Such kind of running movement, moving to the past. And the married children spilling out of their homes, and all those kids who were something very young, they are spilling out of their homes. They leave their homes and chilling out. They are moving out of their homes because this shows that they are very young, and there is a contradiction between alive and death. Because of what? The mother of poetess is actually in those such kind of age where she is so much old. And if we're talking about the married children, so there is a contrast between old and young, that young children are spilling their homes. And now, but after the airport security check is standing a few yards away. So now poetess reached at the airport, Cochin airport, where she stand for the security check. And in all those formalities, when she is standing few yards away, when she stand a few yards of away from her mother, so she again glanced her mother. And what she find it, i looked at I looked again at her. So Kamla Das again see at her mother, and what she find it, one pale as late winter moves and felt that old. It is such kind of thing that it is such kind of thing that she is a full of colorless. There is not a something enjoyment. There is a not something happiness. There is a not something a young figure out on her face. She is something like Pele, and it is again comparing as a figure of speech, as a simile, that as late winter's moon and felt that old. So I can, Kamla Das is saying here that I can recognize that my mother too much old, and she is a late winter's moon. And why she's telling here that familiar aged my childhood's fear, but all I said was, "See you soon, Amma," and I did was and smile and smile and smile. What she want to expressing here, that when she stand at a airport security check, familiar age my childhood's fear. Whatever the age that she feared in her childhood, again those fearfulness came through her mind, and she expressing what? Familiar age. All those pain that she feeling at her childhood, okay, my childhood as fear. So all those age, all those pain she passed, she felt at in her childhood. So again it comes, but what she did as a maturity level, she didn't express out those pain, those fear, and she told, and all I said was, "See you soon, Amma." And she told here without showing any worry, any anxiety. She expressed her ideas along to her mother, that "See you soon, Amma." And I did was smile and smile and smile. There is a full of anxiety. There is a full of hiding her sorrow, and she express here like and smile and smile and smile. The mean is that poet is actually want to express that whatever the pain that we have, we must have to look it out, and we must have to check it out, that whatever the pain we have, we don't have to share it with our parents. Because of what? Once we share all those problems, all those anxieties with our parents, then maybe they will also get troubled. Okay, so this is all about the explanation of the poem line by line. Hope you like it. So now there is a third thing that where we are moving, the that is actually our literary device. Okay, so poetess use here four form. I started wrote here four form of literary device. In the four form, as I first told you, that it is a full of emergy. Emergy means what? There is a contradiction between old and young. Hope you guys can see here what I wrote, old and young. And second is what? Simile. Simile is what? Like that full of coughs. And second is what? As a late winter's moon. Okay. This is your simile. And now the second is what? And smile and smile and smile. It is your repetition that you use here. It is your second point. When we are moving to the third one, freeze sprinting. Freeze sprinting treat as a personification. Okay, I wrote here personification. And at the last point that I want to include here, yeah, the married children. The married children is spreading out. Okay, so this is used here as the metaphor. Metaphor. So while moving out at the last of the moment, when I summarize whole the chapter, there is a question by Kamala Das for all her reader that once we are moving ahead in our age, what is the responsibilities, what is the expectation of our parents towards us? And there is a big question mark. So hope you guys you understand each and every chapters very beautifully. If you have any doubts, please comment down. Till then, see you soon. Bye everyone.